dark tunnel, wheel rattle, and the smell of death. That's how our journey to D6 began. But our goal seemed closer now.
According to the map, there are several ways of reaching D6. Now, the closest one is through the facilities near Kievska. Okay, we tried that route.
Kievska? We've heard strange things about that station.
There was an explosion in the tunnel, and lots of people were buried alive. A rumor has it they survived, but no longer resemble humans. They also say something strange has been sighted in those tunnels. Some kind of fog.
Bullshit, probably.
Of course it is. Who'd believe it? Vladimir lost all his family in the tunnels. He doesn't remember anything about what happened.
Artyom! 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 Wake up, Artyom, wake up! Great, he's coming to.
Put the light away, you're blinding him. Artyom, are you okay?
Can you stand up?
Artyom, who is that?
We're arriving! There's an airlock here!
Great, stop here.
Hell, this place giving the creeps.
Boris, take a look at the gate.
The control unit is broken to smithereens. All the lines are cut.
Vlad, get your tools ready. We need this door open. Artyom, you stay here and cover our backs. We don't need surprises.
Sure, I don't think we're going too smoothly.
Watch your back. Okay. Vladimir, find the first block chart. Oh, look here. First we connect the wires, then on my mark we throw the switch.
Something's out there. Something's closing in.
Ignore it.
Analysis! Fire!
hands together. There's a long road ahead. Okay, guys, this is the door leading to D6.
What's that?